Today I'd like to show you these Dermatology brand brightening eye masks. Inside the jar, you can see these really cool looking red eye masks. There seems to be a ton of them in here. I believe there are 60 masks for 30 usages. The masks are drenched in a hydrating serum that has ingredients like caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. And the intention of those ingredients is to hydrate and brighten the under eye area. One tip, I actually popped these into the refrigerator and left them in there before using them, and they really feel fantastic when you use them this way. It's very cooling, it's very refreshing. Here you can see the consistency of the eye masks. As I said, they're very soaked. Applying these can actually be a bit of fun. At first I tried to apply it just with a spatula, and that's a little bit difficult. They're very slippery, but once you get it in place, it feels really good. You have to work a little bit to get them in the right position, and once you do, then they stay in place pretty well. I do think that during the 15 minutes that I left them on as instructed, they did kind of slide down a little bit, and I had to adjust them up. It wasn't terrible, but after having these on for 15 minutes, they come off easily, and my under eye area feels really refreshed. There's a subtle difference and a bit more smoothness and hydration. It does make my eyes feel really refreshed. So these eye masks would be a great addition to your skincare routine, especially if you need a quick hydrating boost. One other note is they're cruelty-free. So that's my experience with these eye masks. If you're looking for something to quickly refresh your eyes, maybe give these a try.